Picture a trader named Sarah staring at her screen in New York's buzzing trading floor. Charts flare red and green, prices bouncing like a wild ocean. Suddenly, she spots a familiar pattern, not random noise, but an echo from nature itself. The mysterious number 1.618, the golden ratio, is guiding the market's dance. What if you could decode this hidden rhythm? That's exactly what Constance Brown promises in Fibonacci Analysis, a map to the market's secret pulse. Before we dive into charts and numbers, meet the intriguing star of the show, Phi 1.618, the golden ratio. It's everywhere from seashells to stock prices. But what makes it tick in trading? Sarah, a junior trader, was stuck until she read about Phi's uncanny appearances. One morning, she applied Fibonacci retracements to a roller coaster tech stock. As prices aligned with 61.8% retracement levels, she realized this wasn't luck. It was nature's code in action, a practical tool flashing right on her screen. Think of Phi as nature's architectural blueprint. The same spiral in a nautilus shell repeats endlessly, just like price waves in a chart. It's a rhythm your brain knows, but your eyes often miss. Brown compares it to music's beat. The Fibonacci sequence sets the market's tempo, rhythm, and pulse. Recognizing Phi flips your trading mindset from guesswork to precision. Instead of chasing price whims, you anticipate expansions and contractions with uncanny accuracy. As Constance Brown shows, it's not just a number but a secret handshake between nature and market chaos. Now that Phi's magic is on the table, let's zoom into what makes markets breathe. The pulse of expansion and contraction shapes every price surge and retreat. Brown tells us about a volatile energy stock which flared unexpectedly, doubling in 2 weeks. Using Fibonacci expansions, Sarah pinpointed where the price would likely pull back, within 127% and 161.8% targets. This wasn't speculating. It was surfing the wave's natural rise and fall with a calibrated board. Imagine market moves like a rubber band stretched and snapped back. Fibonacci retracements act like invisible guide rails showing where prices will pause or reverse. Brown compares it to traffic lights for traders, red at resistance, green at support, allowing calculated moves rather than blind leaps. Harnessing these patterns translates into a mindset shift. What once seemed like chaos starts revealing a rhythm. Risk zones become opportunity zones. As Brown insists, trading with Fibonacci is almost like listening to a song you've heard before, predicting the chorus every time. Finally, the book dives deeper. Price alone isn't enough. Time and price waltz together. What if your trades could ride this harmony for maximum edge? Brown introduces rhythmic wave diagrams to show how price swings align with Fibonacci time cycles. For example, a gold futures trader named Mike noticed prices peaking every 13 or 21 days, Fibonacci numbers, and timed entries with stunning precision, proving time amplifies Fibonacci's power in real market conditions. Picture price and time as dance partners moving in sync, like pendulums oscillating in perfect ratio. Brown visualizes this with wave diagrams highlighting cyclical confluence points. These rhythms predict not just where but when price will change direction, giving traders an almost psychic edge. The payoff? Trading with both price and time's Fibonacci harmony feels like tapping into the market's heartbeat. Brown's readers report higher confidence and better timing, flipping random guessing into a clear, strategic dance where every step is backed by math and nature. Remember Sarah's moment, that revelation on the trading floor? Fibonacci analysis isn't some arcane secret. It's nature's blueprint showing up in market chaos. By tuning into Phi's pulse, riding expansions and contractions, and syncing price with time, you don't just trade, you dance with the market's heartbeat. Try this. Next time you watch a price chart, spot the nearest Fibonacci retracement. See if you can feel that rhythm yourself. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.